Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. Checking out these circuit breaker locks that I need a screwdriver to release and remove. Now, in 2011, this type of circuit breaker lock probably was not a violation because the definition of readily accessible didn't mention having to use tools. But since 2014, when that definition was revised, this type of breaker lock is a violation since I need tools to remove it. In 240.24a requires circuit breakers and fuses to be readily accessible. And that means I have to be able to get to this circuit breaker, turn it on and off without needing any tools.